Namaskar. I am Dr. Saxena. I will be giving lectures on forensic medicine through my YouTube channel. Please subscribe it for update. Today I will take offense. Definition of an offense is any act or omission made punishable by the law. It can be bailable, it can be non-bailable. In bailable, police cannot keep the person in custody, even court cannot deny the bail. Now, in non-bailable, it is not there. Now, one important topic comes that is called cognizable offense. Now, cognizable offense is where the police can directly goes and just catch hold of the person or arrest the person. The cases in which it can be done is the first is the death or the murder, death, rape, then negligent act means rash driving, etc., dowry, death, even ragging. So these are the main thing which directly he goes and he arrests the person without even the order from the magistrate. Now, punishment of cognizable offense. In the case of cognizable offense, imprisonment of life can be given. Second, imprisonment can be given which can be simple, which can be rigorous with hard work, and he is put in a solitary confinement. Third, fine can be given, and fourth is the forfeiture of the property, means property को जब्त कर लेना. And last, even depending on that, death sentence can be given. So this is about the offense. Another topic that is called capital punishment. Now generally people think capital means money. No, it's not money. Capital means death sentence. Capital punishment is a death sentence. Now the death sentence can be by hanging, by electrocution, or putting it in a gas chamber, or lethal IV injection, or by shooting, or in olden days what they used to do, they used to put two iron rods or steel rods in the neck and they used to constrict the neck with that, or it can be by the wire strangulating the person, just stringing the neck so that the person dies. Now in this, one thing you should know, that only death sentence can be pardoned only by the President of India. Nobody has power to pardon the death sentence. Only President of India can pardon the death. Now the other topic comes is the conduct money. Now, suppose a witness is called into the court. He has some expenses, railway fare or bus fare, that is paid through the civil court to the witness. That is called conduct money. So, the conduct money is, it is a fee offered or paid to the witness in civil cases at the time of serving summon to meet the expenses for attending the court. Now, very important is, only in civil cases it is given, in criminal cases it is not given. So, one word about the witness. What is witness? It is a person who gives evidence regarding the facts into the court. I think you have liked my lecture. Please subscribe it.